Over 600 spectators gathered at Lake Forest Sports Cars for an afternoon of excitement and to view the sensational lineup of cars displayed at the annual Concours de Elegance Auto Show. Now in its 20th year, this free show has become a huge attraction for the dealership, bringing in both car owners and car enthusiasts from all over the Chicagoland area. In addition to the normal allotment of Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Maseratis, and Aston Martins, both classic and modern, this year was definitely the year of the hypercar, as all three of the Holy Trinity were present: the Porsche 918 Spider, the McLaren P1, and of course, the Ferrari LaFerrari. But the star of the show for any top-speed junkie was the extremely rare 238 mph Pagani Huayra, a car that is so mechanically stunning, it is made of over 4,000 components, not including the engine or gearbox. You are never going to see a car like this at your typical auto show. As much as everyone enjoys the main event, the end of the show is what many really come for, as everyone lines the streets to see the cars fire up and pull away in spectacular fashion. This is what being a car enthusiast is all about. For more information and to get the dates of next year's Concours de Elegance when it becomes available, please make sure to subscribe. I'm Paul Harold with Sons of Speed. Thanks for watching.